Hi friends, my name is Mohit and welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Support. Friends, today we will learn how we can create a file server and give access to the users on a particular folder and how we can map the network drive on user system. So guys, here we will take one scenario. Here we will create some folder where we will give access to the users, all three users. What is the scenario that there are one folder which has a common folder and all users can access on that common folder. Second scenario is that every user has their personal folder, but Mohit is able to access all the folders because he's the administrator one. And but Ravi and John is not able to access, will not able to access on each other folders. So there are some restriction because say sometime we have some scenario or some condition is on a company that sales and finance folder department person is not able to access each other folder. So we have to give access according to them. So here I have already opened the server manager. So I'm going to the file and storage system, going to the share one. Here is the task one. So here I'm clicking on the new share. I'm clicking on the SMB share quick, click on the next. So guys, here as you know, remember in the last video I have created one separate file or separate hard disk. I have added this server, adding this server. So I am giving the custom path. So going to the browse one. Here the E drive which I was created in the last video. Now I want to create the folder on this drive and give access to the user. So first of all, I will create the folder. Clicking on the folder, here I'm putting the common folder, and this user will access by everyone. And other folder, new folder is Mohit. Another folder, Ravi, and another folder is John. So so now the first of all, I am creating the share one, the common one. Common one, select the folder, click on the next. This is the path, server common, and now next. Now unchecking this one. I'm clicking enable access based enumeration. So we need to check this one. Next, here we need to customize the permission. Otherwise, this is the main steps for the sharing the access. Now I am disable inheritance. So clicking on this one. Now I'm remove this option, this option. Now the common one. So here I'm adding the select the principal is domain users because everyone is able to access this folder. So domain users, and everyone is this one. So I'm giving the modify one. So every user can access this folder. Clicking on the OK, next, create. So now it's creating. So here you can see the common folder is showing there. Now another option, another point was every user has their some personal folder. So now I am clicking the path one. Now we need to go to John. Select the folder John. John, next, next, untick, tick, next, customize permission, disable inheritance. Here I am removing. Click on the add, select a principal, John, OK, modify because we cannot give full control to the users. Here we can also add the Mohit one, and even we cannot add because we can add and we will not add because Mohit is already administrator group of members, so we will leave it that. OK, click on the next, create. Because Mohit will automatically get the access because he's a member of the administrator group. So now is a new share is a Ravi one. So now I'm clicking on this thing, browse, here Ravi, select folder, next, next, untick, tick, next, customize permission, disable inheritance, click one, remove, remove, and here Ravi. Select and select a principal Ravi. OK, modify, OK, apply, OK, next, and create. Close. Ravi is also there. Now Mohit. The same thing we will do with Mohit. Uh, E drive, Mohit, select a folder, next, next, customize permission, convert. We will remove this thing, remove, and add Mohit. We can also add Mohit and I'm adding, but we don't need to add this Mohit guy, Mohit person, because he is already added in this administrator group. But I'm adding this thing. Okay, next, create. Now, what we will do? We want to add the automatically map this drive, this network drive to the user system. So we can also run the script file, but right now I do not have any script file, so I will do the manually one. So what I will do, we can do in this thing. Here we need to go to the domain users and group. So here you can see that we have created some users here. Now John, I'm going to the properties. Here is the profile one. We will connect the profile. Here is a Z drive. Is we will take their personal one. So here I am putting the server backslash is a John one. So I am sorry GOHN. Yeah, clicking on the apply. Okay, Mohit profile. Let's connect Y server slash Mohit. Okay, 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 and Ravi. Is that? Yeah, Ravi. Clicking on the apply and OK. Now we will go to the client system. Now Ravi, put the password. Now let's see. Here it will take some time to log in. Let me pause this video. Welcome back, friends. Now we can see that here now we need to open the desktop icon. So we can check the map drive. Here you can see that it's automatically added in this login profile. Now we can also create the another one, common drive. So here I am putting the server slash common attempting. Yeah, file drive is also one. So here I'm creating some files. Here I'm putting the Ravi file. So we can understand that this file is created by the Ravi one. So here I'm also creating the file. So now we will log in with the John and let's see what's happened. Sign out and now log in with John. Then we will log in with the Mohit and Mohit will check the access on both users, on these both users. So John, now I'm logging with the John. Let's see. It will take some time to log in. Let me pause this video. So welcome back friends. Now we will check the login. Now let me log in this thing. Sorry, let me get the icons, desktop icons. Now I'm double clicking on this thing. Now you can see that John Drive, personal drive is automatically connected in this profile. Now we will also connect the common folder, the map drive, the Y1 server. Even we can also do these settings by script file and that these drive will connect automatically. Now you can see that um, John is also able to access a common folder. So here I am creating the file for John. Now I am also checking this one. Sorry, right click. So now we will try to log in with the Mohit, signing out. And password was, let me log in. Let me pause this video. It will take some time to log in. Welcome back friends. Desktop icon is still also not there. So let me activate the icon or enable this icon. Uh, Go to the themes, desktop icons, apply. Okay. Here you can see that this Mohit personal drive is also there. Now we will also check the common folder access. Go to the map drive. Oh, we have connected the Y drive on that server. Okay, not an issue. Server. Now we will check that here we are also creating the Mohit one file first. Now we will check Mohit is able to access other folder or not. Uh, Server, what is that? Ravi. Now John, and Mohit is also able to access drive and able to create the file also. So guys, if you like my video, then please share it with your friends. And if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you.